Have you ever imagined creating an entire video with just a few words? Thanks to artificial intelligence, that idea is now reality. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or just someone with a cool idea, AI gives you the power to bring your vision to life like never before. You can describe a scene, a dragon flying over a futuristic city at sunset, and in seconds, AI turns that sentence into video. It's like having a full animation studio at your fingertips. Want to change a character's expression? Add motion blur? Sync voiceover with lip movement? AI can do that too. What used to take days or weeks to animate can now be done in minutes. And the quality? It's improving every single month. Artists are using AI to storyboard movies. Musicians are using it to create music videos without expensive production. Educators are making engaging lessons. And it's just the beginning. Soon, we'll be able to generate entire short films from scratch, script, voice, animation, all with AI. It's not just convenient. It's creative freedom. So whether you're a beginner or a pro, dive in. The tools are here. The future is now. And it's made of pixels and possibility.